Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today showing you the sheepskin steering wheel cover. So this is the sheepskin steering wheel cover. Really a nice option for your steering wheel. These steering wheels can get so cold in the winter and really hot in the summer, and a sheepskin cover around it can really help prevent the hot or the cold, and just keeps you warm. I really like it in the winter months. Throw this on, keeps your hands warm, so much nicer. Now, really simple setup here is the install. You know, it just comes like this right here, and what you're gonna do is hook on the top section first. Okay, so you just take this side right here, hook it on up there, and then slowly bring your hands down and around, and then while you're giving pressure towards the top and the sides a little bit, then you just pull that over right there. Okay, so very simple install and nice option again for the steering wheel. It matches up really well with the sheepskin seat covers over here. Right now we have a double cap, which caps over the backrest and bottom section inside this vehicle right now in the black sheepskin. Another great option is the charcoal, and then we have some tan colors as well to show you. Again, you can check that out on the site, but really enjoying the sheepskin steering wheel cover. Again, you can see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.